Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Andrew, Stuttering Tech, back with another video. And today I'm going to show you guys how you can use your smartphone for vlogging like I'm doing right now, or in a studio settings for talking head videos, and be able to use the rear camera, which houses the best lens on your smartphone, and still be able to see yourself and see your audio levels, or if you have to adjust any of your settings. And I'm able to do this with a little device called the Newmowa PH01. And what is the PH01? Well, it's a little display that you can attach to the back of your smartphone, and it allows you to see yourself as you record from the best lens on your smartphone while getting the best quality out of it. It has a display size of 3.97 inches with a resolution of 480 by 800, which is not bad on a display for its size. And it has a 400 nits of max brightness. It also has an 800 milliamp hour built-in battery. It's 14.8 millimeters thin and weighs just 100 grams or 3.5 ounces. I'm actually, like I said, using it right now, and that's how I'm able to keep myself in frame as I am recording on my Galaxy S24 Ultra. So yes, it's pretty good. Now the display itself only has 3 buttons on it, and one is for the power, one is for the 2 levels of brightness, and the other is to switch between Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi Direct, which is how you connect this to your smartphone. There's only one port in it, and that is a USB-C port, which is only for charging, sadly. With the 400 nit of brightness, I was concerned that I wouldn't be able to see it in bright sunlight, but as the sun is out right now, I'm still able to see it, even though my transitions is kind of dark. But if I raise up my transitions, I'm able to see it. So do keep that in mind if you are wearing sunshades or you have such transitions that get very, very dark. Then you're going to have a little bit of issue viewing yourself on the display. What I would like to see on this would be a video in through the USB-C port for smartphones like the Galaxy S24 Ultra or even the iPhone 15 Pro Max, which does do video out over USB-C. That would have been an awesome thing here, similar to what you can do on the vlogging display for the Sony Xperia 1 line of smartphones. But this thing only comes in at half the price of what you can get that on the used market right now at $70. So which is not bad for the price of what it can do. I can't really complain much. Along with the display, it does come with the phone clamp, and that is how you get to attach it to the back of your phone. So you put your phone in the clamp, and then the display attaches to the back of the phone clamp magnetically, and it holds very strong. It doesn't fall off or anything like that. So when you have the display attached to the back of your phone clamp, it's not going to fall or anything like that. It also comes with a remote, which they claim only works with iOS, but it works with Android as well. It's just a Bluetooth shutter button, and also it comes with a carrying bag to just carry everything, keep everything safe as you travel along with it. That's another thing. I wish that the phone clamp can open up more, because with my cage for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, it doesn't fit inside of that phone clamp. So that's one issue that I came across. And as I mentioned, I wish that it had the USB-C, because over Wi-Fi, where you connect this thing over Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi Direct, there is a little bit of latency. But with Wi-Fi Direct, it is more latency, especially if you're going to be vlogging with this thing and moving around. It tends to start lagging even more to like about 4 to 6 seconds of lagging or latency time. I'll leave a link in the description down below. You guys let me know what you think. I'm Andrew Stuttering Tech once again. Until next time, peace out.